Hello students. Our objectives for today will be to differentiate between direct and indirect speech. 2. Change from direct into indirect speech. 3. Change from indirect to direct speech. First, read the following sentences, then compare between them. The woman said, "I am buying the grocery now." 2. The woman said that she was buying the grocery that time. The first sentence was stating the speech of the woman using her tongue, as it was exactly said by her. The second sentence was stating the speech of the woman using other person's tongue, telling what she said. Sentence 1 is said to be direct or quoted speech. Sentence 2 is said to be indirect or reported speech. Second, how to change from direct into indirect speech. Find out all the differences between sentences 1 and 2. In sentence 2, the comma and the quotations were removed. That was added. The pronoun I became she. The verb am buying became was buying. The timing word now became that time. The rule says change from direct into indirect speech. Locate the pronouns in a sentence, then change them from direct pronouns into indirect pronouns. 2. Locate the verbs and change them from present time verbs into past time verbs. 3. Locate the timing words and change them into indirect timing words. Observe the table of quoted and reported. I becomes she or she. You becomes I, or she, he, they. That depends on the person you are talking to. We becomes they. My becomes his or her. You or becomes my or her, his, their. That depends on the person you are talking to. Our becomes the. Me becomes her or him. You as an object pronoun becomes me or him, her or them. Us becomes them. Present simple tense becomes past simple tense. Present continuous tense becomes past continuous tense. Present perfect tense becomes past perfect tense. Past simple tense becomes past perfect tense. Past perfect tense stays past perfect. Present time modals become past time modals. Present time helping verbs become past time helping verbs. Today becomes that day. Now becomes that time. Yesterday becomes the day before. Last week becomes the week before. Tomorrow becomes the coming day. Here becomes there. This becomes that. These becomes those. Example. The man said, "We will visit our relatives tomorrow." Locate the things you will change. The man said that. The comma and the quotation turns to that. We becomes that. Will visit becomes would visit. Are becomes the. Tomorrow becomes the coming day. What's about the indirect questions? The teacher said, "What are you doing?" The teacher asked the student. What stays as it is? Bring the subject and change it into indirect. You becomes he or she. The verb are doing becomes was doing. To change from direct into indirect question. 1. Use the action verb, asked, instead of said. 2. Keep the WH word. 3. Place the subject after the WH word. 4. Change the verb from present to past. 5. End the sentence with a period.